Okay, to attach files to a PDF in Ubuntu, first we need to open a terminal and install the PDF toolkit by typing sudo apt install pdftk-y. Okay, when that's done, cd into the directory where your PDF files are and the files you want to attach. And I want to attach notes.txt into my test.pdf. So the command to do that is pdftk, the name of the PDF, then attach underscore files, and then the names of the files you want to embed in the PDF separated by a space. And then output and the name of your new PDF file. Okay, when that's done, we'll use Ocular to view the PDF file because we can view embedded attachments. When you open it up, you get this message here to click here or go to File, Embedded Files. So let's go to File, Embedded Files. And with the window that pops up, you can just double click it to view the file, or you can click the button View or Save the file. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.